Hi guys, my name is Tech and welcome to today's video where I'll be exposing Unbox Therapy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like on it and subscribe. So, Unbox Therapy just uploaded a video where he said he's switching back to the iPhone. That's completely fine. But he had the Galaxy Fold which he had to send back to Samsung. Now, why is he switching back to the iPhone if he's just come from Android, Galaxy Fold? Why can't he just go back to his S10e that he was on before, even though he praised it so many times? Why do we see so many tech YouTubers out there going from iPhone to Android and Android to iPhone just because there's a new one coming out or one feels better than the other one? That's not true. It's all for views, it's for subscribers. Unbox Therapy said in his video that he's in no one's side. He's not on Apple's side and he's not on Samsung's side. But that's a lie, because if he was actually a proper tech reviewer, he would have a phone to stick to and not jump all around. So in this case, he would actually be with his S10e, and then when he gets the proper Galaxy Fold replacement, he just gets that and replaces it with the S10e. There's no need to go from the S10e to the iPhone. He's just trying to please his iPhone subscribers. I really don't understand the point of doing all this, because you're just making yourself look bad switching all over the place. If you're somebody who's going to give honest opinions and honest reviews, surely you just stick with one phone and you make unbiased opinions about the rest. I just don't like the fact that people like Unbox Therapy and so many other tech YouTubers out there are using their subscribers to their advantage by switching phones just for views and to keep them from getting hate. So yeah guys, that was my little rant as to why I don't like what Unbox Therapy is doing right now, and I'm exposing him for trying to satisfy his iPhone users even though he's not being committed to a single phone. He's jumping all over the place, and that's not what you should be doing as a tech reviewer. Make sure you're subscribed so that you can see my next tech videos. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.